YouTube is a truly exceptional platform. It allows creators from all over the world to share their ideas and work with the public, but also earn a living from it. Want to know how to jumpstart your YouTube career? Pay close attention. Assuming you watch YouTube all the time, you pretty much already completed step 1, making a channel. If you don't have an account, simply use your email and sign up. Also, you can use mobile phones or computer to sign up. But for this how-to video, I'll show you how to start YouTube with your mobile device. Now that you have a YouTube channel, you can customize your profile picture. I recommend making your own profile picture to give your audience an idea of who you are and what you do. For example, this guy named Derek made his own basic profile picture. Your profile picture and banner will give your channel a little swag and will draw attention to people visiting. You can even write a short description of what your channel is all about and tell the people about yourself. This will make your channel look even more organized and people will know exactly what kind of videos may be made. After you've thought on what kind of videos you want to upload, make, and edit the videos, remember, this is your channel, so have fun and upload whatever you like. And don't use anyone else's work and upload it. That will lead to being copyrighted or maybe even your channel being deleted. Or even worse, you will be demonetized. That's after being monetized, of course. That goes for background music and just music in general. YouTube is quick to copyright you for using someone else's music. And another thing, being copyrighted 3 times will result in immediate channel suspension or deletion. Just stay on the safe side and use non-copyrighted music or don't use it at all. My friend Derek here knows a lot about being copyrighted now, don't you?
Well, yes, I do.
Congrats! You've properly and safely uploaded a video to your channel. Share it with friends and advertise it on your social media. Soon you may notice your channel is getting views and you're gaining subscribers. This is really where your career as a YouTuber gets started. After staying consistent for many months, maybe even years, and steady uploading high-quality videos, you've finally reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. You're now eligible to be monetized and able to make some cash from your videos and Google Ads. Remember to stay consistent and not get copyrighted, and watch how your loyal subscribers continue to grow and experience how turning your hobby into a job can really be life-changing. This was a basic tutorial on how to be a YouTuber, but if you need a more in-depth explanation or need help, contact my buddy Derek on his social media, which is showing on the screen. I'm pretty sure he wouldn't mind helping you with any questions you have about being a YouTuber or editing your videos.
Who's he taming like? What? Spending his son up putting in damage, 3 red blocks, that's Mr. Panic. He tried to run and got hit with a cannon like 14 when I went up in that truck, 9 claps and that nigga off the map. He got hit, his body fell flat. Paramedics they coming red flag, and I'm on some old shit.